In one of the most isolated countries on Earth, a massive military machine has been quietly growing for decades. Missiles that can cross continents, millions of soldiers trained for war, and weapons powerful enough to shake the global economy. The country is North Korea, led by Kim Jong Un. And if it ever enters a major global conflict, the consequences could reach far beyond the battlefield. Despite its relatively small economy, North Korea maintains one of the largest standing armies in the world. The country has around 1.2 to 1.3 million active soldiers, nearly 6 million reserve troops, millions more in paramilitary forces. That means nearly 1 in every 20 citizens is part of the military system. Most of these troops are positioned near the border with South Korea, one of the most militarized borders on Earth. While some of their equipment is older, the strategy is built around sheer numbers, artillery power, and missile forces. In a large-scale war, North Korea's military doctrine focuses on overwhelming force and rapid escalation. One of North Korea's most dangerous strengths is its artillery network. Thousands of artillery pieces are hidden inside mountains, tunnels, and reinforced bunkers. Many of these are long-range artillery systems capable of striking major cities in Seoul, the capital of South Korea. Some military analysts estimate North Korea has over 8,000 artillery systems and multiple rocket launchers. These systems are designed to fire massive barrages of shells within minutes, potentially overwhelming defenses. In modern warfare, artillery remains one of the deadliest battlefield weapons, and North Korea has built its entire strategy around it. War requires enormous amounts of ammunition, and North Korea has spent decades building a large domestic arms industry. The country operates numerous factories producing artillery shells, rockets, ballistic missiles, small arms ammunition. Some estimates suggest North Korea can produce millions of artillery shells each year. This capacity allows the country to sustain prolonged warfare and supply allies with weapons if necessary. In modern conflicts, ammunition shortages can determine who wins or loses, and North Korea's production capacity could become a strategic advantage. Over the past decade, North Korea has made major progress in missile development. Among its most powerful weapons is the Hwasong-18, a solid-fuel intercontinental ballistic missile. Unlike older missiles that require long preparation times, solid-fuel missiles can be launched quickly and with little warning. This missile is believed to have the range to potentially reach parts of the United States. North Korea has conducted multiple nuclear tests over the years and claims to have miniaturized warheads capable of fitting onto missiles. If true, this would dramatically increase the risk of nuclear escalation during any conflict. If North Korea entered a major war, the consequences would extend far beyond Asia. Global markets react instantly to geopolitical instability. A large-scale conflict involving North Korea could trigger spikes in oil prices, disruptions in global shipping routes, panic in financial markets. Countries like China, Japan, and South Korea are deeply connected to the global supply chain. If conflict spreads across the region, industries from electronics to automobile manufacturing could face serious disruptions. Stock markets could fall, trade could slow, and investors would move money into safe assets like gold. In extreme scenarios, the use of nuclear weapons could create a crisis unlike anything the modern world has experienced. For now, North Korea remains one of the world's most mysterious military powers. A country with millions of soldiers, powerful missiles, and nuclear ambitions, watching the world carefully, preparing for the unknown. Because if North Korea ever joins a major global conflict, the question will not just be who wins the war. The real question will be, how much of the world changes forever?